I have taken a fresh lime and drawn a basic four-petal flower to illustrate 5 fundamental tattoo shading techniques. If you are just starting your tattoo journey, this tutorial is especially useful for you, so I recommend watching it carefully from start to finish. A lime is used strictly for practice and to develop hand control. Human skin is entirely different. A lime has a soft, uniform surface, whereas human skin consists of multiple layers with varying resistance and elasticity. Therefore, the same pressure or technique used on a lime should never be directly applied to real skin. Proper and consistent practice is essential before progressing further. Let's explore the 5 basic tattoo shading techniques. Fine line tattooing focuses on precision and controlled execution. In this step, I am carefully outlining the flower petals with thin, consistent lines. Maintain a steady hand and avoid applying excessive pressure. Smooth, controlled movement produces the best results. Fine line work is commonly used in minimalist designs, small symbols, floral compositions, and delicate artwork. Next is stipple shading. This technique creates gradients using a series of small, controlled dots instead of continuous strokes. Ensure the spacing between dots is consistent. Closer dot placement results in darker shading, while wider spacing creates lighter tones. Stipple shading is widely used in mandala designs, geometric patterns, and detailed texture work. Now we move on to whip shading, one of the most widely used shading techniques. Begin at the darkest point of the design and gently flick your hand outward in a controlled motion. This whip-like movement naturally creates a smooth transition from dark to light. A relaxed wrist and consistent motion are essential for achieving clean gradients. Circle shading is performed using small, continuous circular motions. Instead of moving in straight lines, create overlapping circles to build up the shading gradually. This technique helps distribute ink evenly and produces soft transitions without harsh edges. Circle shading is particularly effective for portraits, floral designs, and realistic tattoo work. Finally, we have pendulum shading. This technique involves moving the hand in a smooth, swinging motion similar to a pendulum while adjusting pressure and speed gradually. It allows for natural gradients and seamless blending. Many professional tattoo artists prefer this method for realistic tattoos due to its soft and controlled finish. It is important to remember that every professional tattoo artist begins as a beginner. Do not rush into working on human skin. Practice these 5 techniques repeatedly on synthetic practice skin until you develop stability, control, and consistency. Only proceed to real clients once you are confident in your machine handling and fully understand hygiene and safety standards. Consistent practice builds muscle memory, which is the foundation of clean and professional tattoo work. Please feel free to share this video with fellow tattoo enthusiasts. For daily tattoo content, tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials, subscribe to Tattoo 18 and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. I hope this tutorial has helped you clearly understand the 5 fundamental tattoo shading styles. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with fellow tattoo artists, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tutorials, beginner guidance, and professional insights. If you are interested in joining our online or offline tattoo training programs, please refer to the description. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I will see you in the next tattoo tutorial.